Hey, my people, what is happening? What's going on? Yeah, it's still your boy. It's a Forex. You can call me the Major. Welcome to FX Major. Um, I want to say thank you. I'm really happy right now. I'm really happy because I've seen the love you guys are showing to to FX Major. The subscription, comments, likes, sharing of our content, joining the Telegram group. I really appreciate that. Okay. So yeah, I really appreciate that. So yesterday we dropped analysis on some pairs like the B 1000, C 500, and VIX 75 1 seconds, and yeah, that was all, and VIX 50. And we if we go back to check all the space, we realize that exactly what we 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 analyzed, they all played out as predicted. Let's check. Let's start with VIX 75. 1 second. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm currently selling VIX 75 now. I woke up very late, and so I couldn't see when it started moving, but it's certain it's going to drop since it's a downtrend. You see, the analysis we dropped yesterday, and you can see here has been broken. This level has been broken, this line has been broken, and the horizontal line has been broken. And another thing is that it's a strong downtrend. It's a strong downtrend. So we are hoping to catch few pips at this level. Then we wait for it to retrace, maybe go up and then come down again. We take profits again because it's a downtrend. Okay. Yes, yesterday we sold from this level. I dropped a signal while I was analyzing on my VIP. We saw at this level. Last night I saw this level, but I wanted to sleep. I wanted to sleep, so I didn't want to sell. I saw this level. I didn't want to sell. I didn't want a situational wake up to check my trade and all that. I just wanted to sleep. Okay, so I didn't give this signal. I didn't take this signal. So when I saw all these rejections, I knew this candle gonna drop really hard. As you can see, it has dropped with no wick at all. That tells you it's a strong downtrend. Okay, so let's check let's check what is yes, we also analyzed this pair, and this is what I told you guys. I told you this was a bullish flag. Yeah, a continuation pattern, chart pattern. You can see here it's a strong chart pattern, and it's going up just like I told you guys that it's gonna get to this level and either drop or it's past that level. Okay, so I didn't mean you watch my yesterday analysis, and you waited for it and and entered. You would have made so much profit. Okay, so let's check. It has retested that area. Let's check the okay. You see, I told you when we were analyzing, this place was broken, it was here, this trend was broken and it was here. And I told you guys it's gonna come back to retest this level. Then when it gets to this level, they will see kind of rejection. Then the trend will start going to the upside. So you see, I didn't be after this rejection and after this very candle closing, then I didn't be we bought from this level, it should be in good profit by now. Okay, so we also talk about we also analyze um B 1000. B 1000, yes. Yes, we also analyze B 1000. So this is B 1000. As you can see, I told you B 1000 is going to buy. I showed you guys reasons. I told you reasons, and I did my analysis, and you all saw what happened. Okay, so let's go back there again and show you what I'm saying. Okay, you see, this is a channel. This is a channel, ascending channel. You can see currently the price is at the support and on this trend line. So I believe, as you can see, we had some rejection yesterday, which tells it's going to buy. Okay, this weekly time frame is going to buy, and it's likely to buy to this level again in few months, in 2 weeks, 3, 4, 5, 1 month, 2 months time. Okay, so that's what I told you guys. As you can see, let's check daily. This daily time frame, then it has respected that area, like you can see. So we are expecting it to go to the upside, move to the upside. So right now, what we're seeing right now, it's a bullish flag. I think this is a bullish flag. I strongly believe this is a bullish flag, and I'm waiting for a breakout at this level. I want this level to be broken. Once this level is broken and it's get to this level, once the level is broken, to get to this level, okay, we're gonna experience something like a retest. It will come back to retest this place, then gather momentum to break to get to this level. Okay, once it gets to this, once there's a retest here and we see a bullish pressure, we buy from here to this place and we wait for it. It's either we move our stop loss below, few pips below, and wait for it to break this place. If this place is successfully broken, then we start making good profits because it's gonna travel for a very long time. Okay, but then if it doesn't respect this level immediately, but it's certainly gonna break, then we take our profits and we're out. Okay, so that's it, guys. Then today, let's pick some other page. Let's pick let's talk about oh yeah, let's talk about VIX 10. This is VIX 10. This is VIX 10. VIX 10 is a downtrend, a strong downtrend. But there's something I want you guys to see. You see, it's trading in a channel, this descending channel, or you call it falling channel, descending channel. You can see, and it has already touched the support, the other side of the channel here. It has already touched the trend line support and bounced off with a strong rejection. You can see the rejection, and which closed like as a pin bar. So I think what is happening here, this current price that you're seeing here is going to, sorry, this current price you're seeing here coming down again, I think it's coming to retest a certain structure. We're going to retest a certain market structure. Let's see. It's going to retest a certain market structure. Okay. So I think it's coming to test this structure. You might hit here, see here, and we have support there, horizontal support, and as well as a trend line support, which makes it a confluence area. This is a confluence area. It's a very critical area on your charts. Okay, so once it touches this level, it's going to bounce off. It's likely to bounce off, guys. It's likely to bounce off. It's likely to bounce off to this level. It's likely to bounce off to this level. So let's move down to a lower time frame. A more lower time frame. Let's check the dailies. Okay, so right now I think we can sell this pair. We can sell volatility 10 because it's gonna drop the whole of today. It's gonna drop to this place today. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think it's gonna drop to this place today. Okay, it's gonna drop to this level today. So for us to sell this pair, we're gonna be in good profit today. We're gonna be in good profits today. So it's gonna sell. As you can see, we have a long way to travel. So we're gonna catch so many pips. We're gonna catch so many pips. Okay, we're gonna catch so many pips. We're gonna catch so many pips today. Let's check 1 hour time frame. Okay, I wanted to know if it has retested. So I think it has done something like a retest, or should we still wait for a more confirmation? Let's see. Let's see if it is good enough for us to sell. Okay. Okay, you can see there's a trend line there, right there. There's a trend line. Okay, let's see if it has respected the trend line. Let's move to a more lower time frame. Yes, you can see it has tested this level, the trend line, the resistance level. trend line resistance level. You can see it has, you see there was a touch, it had a touch here, 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 and here. So I believe it has respected this trend again. And you can see the previous candle before this very candle rejected, as in wanted to go up, and then um uh, it closed below the previous candle, which means it's likely to come to the downside. Okay, so right now I think we should. So sorry about that. Call came in, so I had to pick the call. Yes. So like I said, it's likely to sell at this level. It's likely to sell at this level. So I think it's cool for us to sell. It's cool for us to sell. Let me check again. I think it's cool for us to sell. Or should we still wait for a more confirmation? Because I hate giving signal, my VIP signal, or signal that I'm not too sure of. Okay, let me wait. Let's wait for it to break this yeah, this very support, this minor support. Then we sell. Okay, that's for VIX 10. Remember, it's running the channel. Then daily time frame is likely to drop. The daily time frame is likely to drop to this, to level 6413.902. Okay, it's likely to drop to that level. Then that's it. We're just waiting for a confirmation for a certain market structure to be broken. Then we sell, right? Okay, so let's check another pay. I think we should. Okay, we have VIX 25. VIX 25. Yeah. So you see, this is another pay. I love trading. I love trading this pay so much. Okay, so let's quickly run the analysis. So guys, if you are new on our channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment, because we'll be dropping analysis every morning on possible scenario, possible moves in the markets for you to actually learn, and also learn how to trade. Okay, also learn how to analyze how I've been analyzing the markets. Okay, with that you'll be able to know how to analyze the markets even without someone actually teaching you. Okay, so all you need to do is for you to share our channel link, share the video with friends, like, comments, join our Telegram channel to encourage me to be dropping this every day. Okay, like I said, I'll be dropping the strategy, I'll be dropping strategy and analysis every day on some pace. If you come here every morning, you can be catching, you might be catching um some pips, understand? Like this analysis I did yesterday, you see a lot of people, those that followed, I can share my, cannot just share my feedback right now, but I wish I can do that right now, but due to time, a guy, about two guys just chatted me up that they're so happy from the analysis I dropped, that they've seen there's improvement, that they catch some pips. I was so happy. Okay, so now you see I just dropped the first trend line here. I know you'll be wondering, because probably your mentor or some books you've been reading online told you that you must connect all highs and all lows when um running analysis, something like this or something like this. Okay, so now I said, okay, you're cool, you're right in a way, but you can never tell where this market, you can see this very structure is obvious enough. The market structures we have here, where I place the trend line, they are obvious enough, which tells you it's a strong zones. This is a zone, okay? And because another thing is that you need to understand, if you want to start taking connecting all highs and low, do you know we have fake outs? There's some fake breakouts, like what happened here. This might be a fake breakout, or it's not a fake breakout. Let me tell you how you can know if it's a fake breakout, or if you should connect your trend line, or you shouldn't connect your trend line. Let's say, this is a weekly time frame, so we still have enough space down there. Okay, so you need to bring in your trend line again and make a outer trend line. We have inner and outer trend line. So this was our inner trend line, and this is our outer trend line. Okay, I believe you understand what I'm doing now. So now If it was if uh the first trend line I drew here is not perfect enough, okay, then the second one is the perfect one, right? Let's check what is happening down there. Okay, you can see it's like the our trend line invalid, and markets might drop back again to a certain level on this chart. Markets might drop back again to a certain level on this chart. Okay, you can see today's candle is dropping already. Today's candle is dropping, okay, to the downside. So it's likely to come back to somewhere here, but it might not get to this level again, because from what I'm seeing here on the weekly, I think this is just a retest. Okay, this is supposed to be the key level. This is the main trend, and it has broken the trend, went to the upside, return back to retest this level. Okay, right, to retest this level. Now you can see last week chart printed a strong bullish candle. You can see this strong bullish candle. So it's likely to break this level and start going up to maybe this level. Okay, let's bring our horizontal tools. Okay, okay. So let's go down there and check what's happening. So market's gonna drop. You can see it's likely to drop back to this level. It's likely to drop back to this level. Okay, that's if the trend line is if it's if gonna respect the trend line, it's gonna respect this trend line. So it's likely to drop back to this level. Okay, so let's check a lower time frame. Okay, you can see on a lower time frame we already market has already printed a strong bearish candle. Okay, and this is evening star. I don't know if you know your evening star. You need to learn all these candlestick formation, chart pattern, and all that to help you, to guide you, give you um tell you what the market is really doing. It gives so much information. Okay, so this is an evening star. This is an evening star. Okay, so this what else should we do now? Let's move down to a lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, to really see what is happening. 1 hour time frame. Okay, you see there's a trend here. There's a trend here. That's it. That's it. You can see this trend line has been broken. You can see this trend line has been broken. Now we want to wait to see if it has been broken properly, because as you can see here, there's something like a zone here. There's a zone here. There's a zone there. Okay, so we need to be sure this zone is fully broken, and maybe a little retest, then we sell. And when we're selling, we might take our profit somewhere here, or we wait to take profit somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here or here, right? So that's it. We sell from here, take profit somewhere here or here. Okay, that's it. That's how to do it. Uh, that's it for VIX 25. I think it's gonna sell since this line has been broken. It's going to sell because you can see here on the 4 hour time frame, it's showing a strong selling pressure. We're seeing strong selling pressure. We're seeing strong selling pressure. So it's likely to sell to this side or here. Yeah, it's likely to sell to this place. You see, that's the zone. It's likely to sell to this place, and we catch so many pips, so much pips. Okay, guys. So that's it for VIX 25. I don't know, should we still go on? Okay, let's check another. Let's check another pay. 25 1 seconds. 1 second. Okay, 25 1 second. Let's check a higher time frame. This is the weekly. This is a weekly time frame. Oh, you can see weekly. Weekly previously last week closed closed bearish, a very strong bearish candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle formation, candlestick formation. Okay, this is a bearish engulfing candle formation. You can see how it closed, how stronger it is, and with a very tiny wick last week. That tells you the pressure should be coming. This is just a kind of um a pullback or something. So it's gonna drop. I believe, strongly believe it's gonna drop again to maybe this level, guys. So let's check daily time frame. Yeah, on the daily time frame here we are currently on support. Uh, so let's check. We have something. There's a resistance here. Okay, there's a resistance there, which tells it's going to drop. You can see yesterday closed as a doji. You see yesterday closed as a doji. So let me zoom in. It's a doji candle. Yesterday candle is a doji candle, so which means it's likely to drop. But you know, when you have a doji candle, it's hard for you to know what the market is doing really, if it's gonna drop or not. But I think what markets went back here to do was just to retest this level, then drop again, just to retest this level and drop again. So it's likely to drop and break this level to the downside. Okay, it's likely to break and drop to the downside somewhere here, right? So let's check a lower time frame. Okay, so you see here, let's see, let's oh yeah, okay, okay. So I think it's still gonna drop. I think it's still gonna drop because there's something here, something here. There's a resistance here. There's a resistance there. So it's still gonna drop. It's still gonna drop, guys. It's still gonna drop, and this level will be broken. This level will be broken. This level gonna be broken to break this level and start going down, down, down. Okay, guys. So that's it. I mean, kindly hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification button because we'll be dropping analysis every day for you to know the possible movements in the markets. Okay, so please join our Telegram channel, share our links with friends, and let's move on. I love you guys, and please don't give up. Trust me, don't give up. Don't give up. Don't even try to, because you can never call yourself a winner if you didn't get to the last level, if you didn't defeat the last level. Okay, so you cannot call yourself a winner. So if you want to win, if you want to drive those fast cars, you know, I like telling you this, make sure you put in your best. Let me tell you something. Any person that you see successful today, it was not success. It didn't just start as a successful trader. He started suffering like every other person. Okay, to 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 um a very to a stage that he started understanding the market, fully understanding the market, and that's what makes him a successful trader today. And he's working really hard, even forget about the results, he's working really hard even as it is right now. So I tell you guys, don't give up, please. Keep pushing. We're gonna make it. We're gonna drive those fast cars. We're gonna build this mansion from trading forex. Okay, so I love you guys. Let's meet again. I'll drop a strategy very soon, so hang around. Bye bye.